morning students. Now today we will see our page number 40, lesson number 3, addition. So in this lesson is very simple. In this lesson we are going to do every time only addition. Okay. So first exercise 3.1. So in this exercise addition sums are given. So we will solve it one by one. First example is given 431 plus 345. So we have to add first ones, then tens, then 100. Step by step we have to add from this ones side. So 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. What is our answer? 776. Now see second example. 625 plus 143. So again start with ones. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. What is our answer? 768. Now see third question. 205 plus 421. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. What is our answer? 626. Now see fourth example. 301 plus 456. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. What is our answer? 757. Now see fifth example. 537 plus 221. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. What is our answer? 758. Now see sixth question. 790 plus 209. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. So what is our answer? 999. Now see seventh question. 354 plus 221. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is our answer? 575. Now see eighth question. 653 plus 342. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. What is our answer? 995. Then see ninth question. 705 plus 284. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. What is the answer? 989. 10th question is what? 400 plus 290. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. What is the answer? 690. And 11th and 12th question, that is for your homework. Now see page number 41. On this page number 41, exercise 3.2 is given. Here also we have to do addition. So first example is 256 plus 328. Now we have to give here carry. 8 plus 6, how much? 14. So 4 we have to write here. Give 1 carry here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 3 plus 2, 5. So carry you have to write down in a very small box. Okay, so what is the answer? 584. Now see second question. 135 plus 428. Now do the addition. 8 plus 5, 13. What is the carry? 1. Write down here 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the answer? 563. Now see third question. 438 plus 379. 9 plus 8, 17. So write here 7, write down 1 carry here in the box. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So write 1 here. What is the carry? 1. So write that carry here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. What is the answer? 870. Now see fourth question. 8 plus 7. How much? 15. So write down 5 here and write carry 1 here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. So what is the answer? 695. Now see fifth example. 7 plus 8, 15. What is the carry? 1. So write down here 1. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 3, 13. So write down here 3 carry is 1. So write down carry 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. What is the answer? 635. Sixth example. 7 plus 3. How much? 10. So write down here 0. Write down carry here 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So write down here carry 1 in the box. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. What is the answer? 720. Now see seventh question. $537 plus 289. 9 plus 7. How much? 16. What is the carry? 1. Write down here 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. Write down here 2. Write down here 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. What is the answer? 826. Now see 8th example. 324 plus 457. 7 plus 4, 11. So write down here 1. Write down carry 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. What is the answer? 781. Now see ninth question. 274 plus 112 again plus 367. No problem if there are 3 lines we have to add. No need to worry. We can do the addition as it is. Okay. So start with ones. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Write down here 3. 1 is the carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So write down here 5. Write down here 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So what is our answer? 753. Now see 10th example is what? 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Write down here 1. 1 is the carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. Write down here 3. Write down carry here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So what is the answer? 736. Now 11th example. 307 plus 220 plus 190. So 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Now 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. So write down 1 here. What is the carry here? 1. So write down in the box. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is our answer? 770. So 12th example, that is for your homework. Now see page number 42. So on this page number 42, exercise 3.3 is given. So now see here, 4-digit addition is given. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we will do the same method here also. We will start with ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand. Okay, so start with ones. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So answer is 7477. Second example is 3725 plus 6234. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So answer is 9959. So third example is what? 2507 plus 4202. 7 plus 2, 9. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. So answer is what? 6709. Now see fourth example, 2752 plus 3127. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. So answer is what? 5879. Now see fifth example, 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. So answer is 9399. Next example, sixth example is 2647 plus 6312. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. What is the answer? 8959. Now see seventh example, 4255 plus 4534. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 4, 8. Answer is 8789. And eighth example, that is for your homework. Now see next question. What is that? Arrange vertically and add. So in your notebook you write down this question. First you write down chapter number 3 addition. Then you write down exercise 3.3. Then write down this question, arrange vertically and add. Now ninth question. So first you write down like this in your notebook, 3143 plus 26. Then what is given in the question? Arrange vertically. Vertically means like this. Like this means in each box you will write one digit. Suppose this is first, you will write here 3, then 1, then 4, then 3, and below this 2 and 6. Okay, so each and every box you will write only one digit, and then we have to add. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. This one as it is. This 3 as it is. So in this way, very neatly you have to write down in your notebook. Now see 10th question. 4086 plus 3710. Okay. So again same way you have to write down each digit in each separate box. So now start adding. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So answer is 7796. Now see 11th question. 1243 plus 123. So write out properly. 1243 plus 123. So 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. This one as it is. So answer is 1366. Now see 12th question. 5097 plus 1802. So arrange properly. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is what? 6899. Now see 13th question. 6145 plus 803. So write down as it is. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 1, 9. And this 6 as it is. Answer is 6948. Now see 14th question. 4264 plus 2540. So write down as it is. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. So our answer is 6778. So this question 9 to 14 you have to complete in your notebook. Now see our page number 43, exercise 3.4. So here also different additions are given that we will solve one by one. So first example is 2464 plus 2003 plus 312. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4. Answer is 4779. Now see second example. 4102 plus 754 plus 1120. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 5976. Now see third example. 5103 plus 240 plus 1635. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is 6978. Now see fourth example. 1122 plus 131 plus 2033 plus 122. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines we have to add here. Don't worry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So write down here 0. 1 is carried. So write down in the box. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So write down here 4. And 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer is 3408. Now see fifth example. 2133 plus 1154 plus 3200 plus 1402. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the answer? 7889. Now see sixth example. 1201 plus 232 plus 23 plus 132. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. This one as it is. So answer is 1588. So complete these answers in your textbook. Now see next question. Arrange vertically and add. So this question you have to write down in your notebook. Write down exercise 3.4. Then write down arrange vertically and add. Then write down 7th question. What is this? 2314. Then 121 and 40. So we have to first write down the 4-digit number. So write down. Then write down 3-digit number like this. So write down like this, and then 2-digit number like this. So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. We have to write down properly all these numbers one by one below the other. And then we have to start our addition. 4.15. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. These two as it is. Answer is what? 2475. Then see next example 8, 1211, 210 and 4330. So first we have to write down all 4 digits number one below the other, and then write down 3-digit number. So it will be easy for our addition. Then start 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is our answer? 5734. So in each box you will write one digit like this. So in this way you write down all these answers. Now see 9th question. 9th question is what? 2212, 1212, 33 and 143. So again we have to first write down all 4 digits number like this, one below the other, and then 3-digit number, and then 2-digit number. Then we will start to add. Now see 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer is 3599. Now see 10th example. 4303, 243 and 123. So first write down 4-digit number, then write down 3-digit number, again 3-digit number. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. This 4 as it is. Answer is what? 4669. Now see 11th question. 5412, 1234 and 1021. So these three are all 4-digit numbers. So we have to write down one below the other like this. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So Our answer is 7667. Now see 12th question. 5414, 170, 212 and 101. So only one 4-digit number is there. So first you write down that 4-digit number, then write down all 3-digit numbers. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Then this 5 as it is. So answer is 5897. So from 7 to 12, these are questions you have to write down in your notebook.